Hey guys, what do you actually need for a simple homemade shrimp tempura? Well, for me, I use breadcrumbs and of course we use tempura butter or tempura mix. Well, you can actually use all-purpose flour, and we're also going to be kneading it. We will also need to roll the shrimp into an all-purpose flour, and then afterwards we can also garnish it with sesame seed or furikake if you have. So I think that's what I need for a simple shrimp homemade tempura. So we would be needing a fresh shrimp. We'd need to remove the head and slice or cut the upper side of the shrimp and then peel it and devein. You can have your fishmonger do this for you, or you can do it by yourself, but it would take much time. And always leave the tails on. Shrimp are naturally curved, so when we fry them, they curve more. So what we are doing here is we are putting some score, little score under the belly and on both sides, just to loosen the tightness of the shrimp. We now prepare our butter mixture. We put in a pinch of salt and water, and then we mix this in until we have a desired thickness of the butter, which is like a heavy cream. We prepare first our fat and our oil, and we will roll our shrimp first to an all-purpose flour and dip it into our tempura butter, and then afterwards we swirl first our shrimp before we deep fry it. And always remove the excess tempura flakes.